news breaking at the top of 8, ladies and gentlemen, and this relates to the Bengaluru cafe blast, if you remember. The NIA has now arrested a person called Muzammil Sharif. He's believed to be a key conspirator in this case. He was arrested following raids by the investigative agencies in multiple states. Let me go straight across to my colleague Deepak Bopanna, who's joining us on the broadcast. Deepak, who exactly is Muzammil Sharif and what exactly is he being accused of? Is he the man who was spotted on CCTV keeping that bag filled with explosives inside the cafe?
Well, firstly, this is a big breakthrough for the NIA. The police, Karnataka, Bengaluru police, in fact, started the investigation when the blast took place. After that, it was the crime branch. The NIA came into the picture. For weeks, they've been, of course, chasing multiple leads. We, of course, broke here on Mirror Now aspects of the raids about certain people being questioned. And finally, all of it has borne fruit with this person named Muzammil Sharif being taken into custody. The NIA is naming him as a key conspirator. From my sources, I'm picking up that this individual was in Bengaluru on the day of the blast. He's assisted the prime accused. And coming back to the aspect of whether this is the individual who's been spotted on the CCTV, well, no. He's still on the run. That is the prime accused, that is Musawir Hussain. And we broke this down as well a few days ago on Mirror Now, that this could be the prime suspect. And now NIA has officially confirmed that Musawir Hussain is the prime suspect, along with his accomplice, Abdul Taha Mateen. Now, these two are the people behind the, bomb blast. The bomber in itself is believed to be Musawir Hussain, who's still on the run. But Muzammil Sharif, now who's been taken into custody, has assisted, this prime accused, is the information that the NIA is sharing with us. They raided the multiple locations in Tamil Nadu, in Karnataka, even in Uttar Pradesh. This individual has been picked up from Chikmagaluru, is the latest that we are picking up. But definitely through his arrest, the NIA is hoping that they could make a breakthrough, finally catching the bomber and, revealing the larger conspiracy here.